The most simple tip to relieve indigestion and improve your overall digestive health. My name is Peggy Schimmer from peggyschimmer.com. I welcome you to Gut Feelings, the channel where we help you to improve your digestion so you have all the energy to bring your gifts into the world. Today's theme is about what's the number one tip that is simple to implement that helps you relieve indigestion and improves your overall digestive health. If you struggle with digesting certain foods, especially if they are healthy foods like vegetables, fruits, or you feel bloated and heavy after eating your meal, or you're somebody who has these typical energy drops, which are mostly mid-morning and then come again mid-afternoon, which you need to fix with coffee or tea or any kind of sugar treats, then it's likely something is up with your digestive system and it's good to take care of that. The tip I'm going to share with you is so simple that you probably won't believe me. The tip I'm going to share with you today is so simple that you probably won't believe me at first before you experience it yourself. We are used to eating complex meals, have this kind of three component meal, which often is a piece of meat or protein combined with vegetable, and then as a side dish, rice, potatoes, noodles, pasta, whatever. Well, although this is awesome for your tongue, if you're used to that, it's not really great for your stomach. So if you're somebody who suffers from indigestion, digestive problems, bloating, or even just feeling tired after eating or having energy dips throughout the day, this can be a sign that your digestion is struggling with digesting the food. The number one tip that I'm going to share with you is to eat as simple and pure as possible. So raw is always preferred. Everything that is raw contains its own digestive enzymes which help you digest the food better. And the second important thing is eat foods alone or to maximum 3 components. So in our case, this would be if you need to eat meat or fish or anything like protein, try to eat that with a side dish of vegetables. They can be cooked or raw, that doesn't matter. So for example, a mackerel with a spinach salad would be great. Or if you eat chicken, then you eat chicken with broccoli. If you're vegan or vegetarian, then for a savory dish you can eat sweet potatoes with a vegetable. Or you can eat chickpeas, which are a protein source as well, with a vegetable. What I recommend you to try to avoid is mixing everything together. So having like a high carb source with a high protein source with a high fat source. Yeah, this is the typical 3 component meal. Let's take a fish, which is high in fat and protein. Then you have potatoes, which are high in carbs. And then you have a neutral. Vegetables are always neutral, so you combine these 3, not a good idea. I, for myself, even now enjoy just eating a dish of cooked broccoli. I don't even use any salt. And just tasting like the real food. You're going to start appreciating more like the original taste of what you eat. Yeah, or just eating some potatoes with some peas, for example. It's just going to be delicious, and for your digestion it's a real treat. In the case of fruit, I recommend you to eat fruits separate. Yeah, so instead of having like a big bowl of fruit salad, try to eat fruits first. They need to be ripe, and then try to eat them separate, especially if it's around melons. Melons don't like to be eaten with any fruits, because if you eat melons with other fruits, often people get bloated, they have cramps, they just digest the food slower. So fruits eaten alone are the best. This is called mono meals. So instead of having a fruit salad, eat 5 oranges for breakfast, or a smoothie of just ripe bananas, a berry smoothie, something like that. This is the number one tip for improving your digestion quickly and healing indigestion. Let me know how it works for you in the comments below. I'm curious to hear from your experience, and see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.